Hello guys, welcome to my TechnoDexter's YouTube channel. We are learning operators in Python. In our previous video, we have seen arithmetic, assignment, comparison and logical operators. In this video, we are going to see bitwise operators. Without any delay, let's start. Bitwise operators. Bitwise operators are used for binary number calculations and operates on binary numbers. Examples of bitwise operators are bitwise AND, OR, NOT, XOR, bitwise right shift and bitwise left shift. Binary number system. Before going towards bitwise operators, we need to understand what is binary number system. Binary numbers are represented by only two digits, that is 0 and 1 with the base of 2. So we are going to represent a number with base of 2 by using only two digits, that is 0 and 1. The representation is called as a binary number. 0 and 1 are also similar to true and false. Digits 0 and 1 individually called as bit. That's why the operator which works on binary number calculations are called as bitwise operators. Understanding binary numbers or binary number system is a very much necessary because we can interact and communicate with the computer by means of binary numbers. Let's know how to convert decimal to binary numbers. Here it is the decimal to binary number scale, by using which we are going to convert our decimal number into binary numbers. Let's take one example. The scale is nothing but a power of 2, that is 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2 and so on. How we can convert the decimal number 10 into binary number? First we are going to find out what is the closest number which is less than or equal to 10. In this scale we are seeing that the closest number which is less than or equal to 10 is 8. So we are going to consider the position of 8 here and we are going to assign one flag to it. Then we can add the rest numbers with this number to make the sum exactly equal to 10 number. What number will be added to get the sum exactly equal to 10? That is 2. So here we can exactly represent 10 number by using two numbers 8 and 2. That's why we are using one flag to 8 and 2 numbers over here. Rest of the places will be zeros. That's why we are getting first 4 digits as 0, the fifth one is 1, then again 0, then sixth one is 1 and then again 0. In this way we can convert 10 number into a binary number. Let's take another example, 43. The binary representation of 43 is 0010 and 1011. So how it is calculated? You need to consider the closest number on the scale which is less than or equal to 43. So what is the closest number on the scale which is less than or equal to 43? That is 32. Flag it as a 1. Then find other numbers by using we can get the addition of all the numbers as a 43. So we have got 32 as a first number, we can add 8 as a second number so that we can get sum is equal to 40. Then only 3 is remaining, then we can add 2 and 1. So we are considering here 32, 8, 2, 1 to represent 43 as a binary number. So flag the number positions as 1, rest will be 0. Let's consider another example, 67. 67's binary representation is like this. So how it has come? So what is closest number? It is 64. Then add 2 and 1, we will be getting sum exactly as 67. Rest positions will be 0. In this way we can convert decimal number into binary number by using this 8-bit decimal scale. So now we have learned how to convert decimal number into binary numbers. So without wasting time, let's move towards examples. We are going to consider two variables a and b with numbers 10 and 4 assigned to them. Corresponding binary representation of 10 is 1010 and 4 is 0 1 0 0. We can represent bitwise operator expressions as follows: A and B, A or B, negation of A, or bitwise not A not B, then A XOR B, A right shift with 2 digits, A left shift with 2 digits. Let's see them one by one. Bitwise AND. For bitwise AND, we are going to arrange the number 10 and 4 like this. Here in this case, we are providing binary representation of 10 as one input and binary representation of 4 is another input. So let's do AND operation on them. Here we are not getting both inputs as 1, that's why we will be getting output as 0. Result of bitwise AND of A and B will be 0. Bitwise OR. In bitwise OR, output will be 0 if both the inputs are 0. Otherwise, the output will be always 1. We are getting the combination of 0 in both the inputs at the 0th position. At this position, we will be getting output as 0, and in the rest cases, it will be as 1. We are going to get output as 1110. Decimal representation of this is 14. That's why the result will be 14. After executing this expression on our Python console, we are going to get 14 as a result. Let's move towards bitwise NOT. Bitwise NOT operator. The formula for bitwise NOT operator is as follows: bitwise NOT of x is equal to minus x minus 1. Now, according to this formula, if we calculate bitwise NOT of 10 and 4, then it will be minus 11 and minus 5. So let's see how it has calculated. Bitwise NOT operator calculates 2's complement of a given number and provide output with a negative sign. There are two types of complements. One is first complement and second is second's complement. That is also called as 2's complement. So what 1's complement does, it just replaces 1 by 0 and 0 by 1. So what 2's complement is, it is addition of 1 to the 1 complement. So let's discuss the output of bitwise NOT of 10. Let's calculate the bitwise NOT of 10. So we know that the binary representation of 10, that is 1010, and the bitwise NOT of 10 is 11110101. The bitwise NOT of 10 will be just replacing of 0 by 1 and 1 by 0, that is 1111 and 0101. So this value will be equal to minus 11. So for checking that, take 11, positive 11, and calculate bitwise NOT of it, that is 11110100. So what the bitwise NOT does, it will calculate 2's complement of a number. So add 1 to this result and we will be getting 2's complement. So this was 1's complement. Let's calculate 2's complement of this. So we are simply adding 1 to the 1's complement and we will be getting this result. If you observe the output of 2's complement, that is 11110101, and the output of bitwise NOT, that is 11110101. So both are exactly the same. Bitwise NOT of 10 will be equal to minus 11. Bitwise XOR is represented as A XOR B. Bitwise XOR formula: A XOR B. It is a OR operation of two AND operations. One is A and negation of B and other is negation of A and B. You can read like this: A XOR B is equal to A and negation of B, or negation of A and B. So we are going to first calculate a first AND operation, that is A and negation of B. So it will be like this: we are taking 10 and negation of 4 as input and we are doing bitwise AND operation of them. We will be getting 10 as a result. Let's consider second AND operation, that is negation of A and B. Here we are taking negation of 10 as a first input and 4 as second input. So the bitwise AND operation between them will be resulting as 0 1 0 0. The result will be 4. We are going to take OR operation between first AND and second AND. The first AND result is 10 and second AND result is 4. So we are doing OR operation between them. The output of OR will be 0 if both the inputs are 0, otherwise it will be 1. In this way we have performed XOR operation and we have got 14 as a result. Let's move towards bitwise left shift. So the syntax of left shift operator is like this. Here it is shifting the bits of variable A towards left side by 2 digits. 8-bit binary representation of 10. So we are going to left shift the numbers by 2 digits. 1010 will be shifted towards left by 2 digits and we will be getting this result. So this is our left shift operator output. Thus we have got 40 as a result by shifting variable A towards left by 2 digits. Let's take example of right shift. We are going to right shift it by 2 digits. We will be getting this binary number after shifting it towards right. What is the decimal representation of this binary number? Let's use this binary to decimal scale conversion. So what is decimal representation of this number? It will be only 2, because what is the value of second position? It is 2 only. That's why the output result will be 2. Okay, we have now understood the binary calculations and representations by using bitwise operators in Python. Let's move towards practicals. Open Python IDE. So we are going to consider two variables, A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 4. So let's operate bitwise operators on them. First is bitwise AND. So A and B, the output will be 0. A or B. So what will be the output? It is 14. We have already discussed its logic during the discussions. Bitwise NOT operator. So it is tilde sign. So what is its output? Minus 11. Can you guess the output of bitwise NOT of 4? Yes, that is minus 5. Then bitwise XOR. So it is again 14. Bitwise left shift. A left shift 2. It will be shifting the bits of variable A towards left by 2 digits. So the output will be 40. Bitwise right shift. It will be 2. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have got clear your concept regarding binary number systems and its calculations using bitwise operators. You can like this video and share with your friends. You can comment below the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.